Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm AJ of EverythingAJ's, and I have my typical bead set up here, but I have a different product to show you. So today what I have here is another idea for a way to bead and create these glass globes from being just like a ribbon hung decoration to being a little bit more of a personalized beaded decoration where it just fancies it up just a little bit more. I don't know how many of you have come across these type of hand blown glass balls, but they are gorgeous. They really have, you know, a beautiful character on their own. You don't really need to do anything else with them, but I thought, you know, for me, I like to glam things up, and so I actually decided to add my sun catcher design to the glass globes. So I have, like, for instance, I have gone through some videos where I make my sun catchers, and it's the exact same process as beading my sun catchers. However, what I've done is just connected it to the loop in the glass ball. So if you can see here that there's that little glass loop here, so I'm just tying my line to this versus tying it to the crystal ball. And honestly, it's a really clever way to, like I said, just jazz up these little balls in a way that you can personalize it that much more to the person whom maybe you're going to give it to, or if you have them yourself and you're looking for a way to kind of, you know, do something else with it, be a little bit more creative with them. It's just something that I figured I could share with you because it is actually something that I've made and have sold as well. And, you know, being that that's not my piece here, it's just something that I do for fun. I don't do it for mass production. I just do it to throw it up in a couple of my local shops. But it's just another way to say, hey, you know, anything that's got a little loop that you can hang or whatnot, you can still possibly bead a design and jazz it up just a little bit and make that personalization. And I think the difference between that and when you're giving a gift or you're selling products, it just makes things that much more special. Having a simple ribbon is easy and it works 100%, but I just figured if I can do something that I like a little bit more, I'm gonna do it. And so here we have them. So that's it for today. I just wanted to let you guys know of another idea. I know the holidays are coming soon and you never know what kind of stuff you come across, and this is just another idea of something you can do with these. Okay, again, I'm AJ of EverythingAJ's. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more creative ideas. Bye-bye.